Recent leaks have provided some exciting insights into the upcoming OnePlus 14, which is expected to launch in October 2025. The device is likely to feature a sleek, flat-screen design, moving away from the curved displays that characterized previous OnePlus models, offering a more traditional look. Under the hood, the OnePlus 14 is expected to be powered by Qualcomm's next flagship chipset, possibly the Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 2, which will bring enhanced performance and efficiency improvements, ensuring a seamless experience for gaming, multitasking, and demanding applications. The battery capacity could see a significant upgrade, with reports suggesting that it might reach 7,000 mAh, supporting OnePlus SuperVOOC charging technology for rapid 100W charging speeds, drastically reducing recharge times. Design-wise, the OnePlus 14 is anticipated to adopt a more flat-sided aesthetic, aligning with current flagship trends seen in other high-end smartphones. The device will likely run on Oxygen OS 14, based on Android 15, bringing with it a host of new software features and optimizations aimed at improving user experience and performance. Although these details are based on leaks and remain speculative, they offer a promising look at what the OnePlus 14 could bring to the table, making it a highly anticipated release in the premium smartphone market.